So I traded in the stock market for about 30 to 45 days straight. I started off with about $75 and I ended with about $25. I made a bunch of mistakes, took a bunch of bad trades, but I also learned a lot in the process. And I think I'm pretty sure I found the strategy that's going to turn me into a profitable trader. And I just wanted to share the things I learned and talk to you guys about the strategy that I'm going to start doing from now on. I got this strategy from Rainer Teo. He's also an option trader. I think he trades Forex or something. I'll put his YouTube channel up there. I watched one of his videos about the easiest way to trade, or a really simple strategy where you're just following the trend, finding an area of value, following the trend and finding an area of value and trading from there. I'll talk about it once I start showing you the trades I took. Anyways, I'm just going to share what worked, what didn't work, what I learned, and why I believe that literally anybody can do this strategy and make a lot of money. So one of the good trades I'm going to talk about right here. So as I was saying, you trade at an area of value and you trade with the trend. This was October 4th, and I took this trade right here. So this is the area of value. Obviously, I'm using the 200 EMA line right now, 200 EMA. And here's the area of value right here. Came down, came up. The stock is in the downtrend. Came down, came up. You see a red candlestick, which gives me selling signal. I get in right after this red candlestick. Really like right here. And I let it ride all the way down to the bottom. Let that rock all the way down. Right now, I'm just trying to show y'all the 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I'm making sure that I have a tight stop loss. So I'm about right here. This is perfect. This is perfect. Even if you get in a little bit late, it's still 2-to-1. I feel like everybody can take this trade. This is a trade I took. This is one of the good trades I took. Remember, I'm only talking about the good trades I took. I'm not talking about any of the dumb trades I took where my emotions got involved, or I might have got bored and I just started trading. These are all this is one of the best trades I took right here. The stock is in the downtrend. The area of value is right here. It comes back up. One candlestick. I got a good 2-to-1, 3-to-1 reward ratio. I'm taking that. I'm taking that trade every single time. And there's no reason why you can't either. It's October 5th. This trade was October 4th. So this is literally the next day. On here, October. Easy trade right here. Same thing. This was the same thing. Stock is in the downtrend. It changes directions right here. So this is the area of value. Boom. Comes back up. Boom. Long wick. A long wick means selling pressure is coming in. You could take the trade. You could take the trade right after this long wick. You see it. Or you can take the trade and wait for this red candle. I'm pretty sure I took it right at the beginning of this red candle. I mean, I don't know for a fact, but I'm pretty sure I took it right at the red candle. Easy trade that anybody can do. The stock is in the downtrend. A downtrend is under this 200 EMA line. It hits the area of value. This is two wins in a row for me. October 4th, October 5th. Same trade. October 6th. I took another one. to the downside. Very similar. October 6th. Hold up. Oh, I took it on QQQ. Same trade. Here we go again. So there's 3 wins in a row right here. Once again, y'all can't tell me that y'all can't do this. Stock overall, the trend is in a downtrend. It's under the 200 EMA. Here we go. Change direction. Boom. Comes up. Boom. Gives me a long wick. Right after that long wick, I could get into the trade, or I could wait for the red candlestick. I usually get in. I'm starting to now. When I put more, the next time I put money into the stock market, I'm going to make sure that I get in at these long wicks right here. And I don't even have to measure. You guys know this is 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio right here. 3-to-1 really. Maybe even more than that. Boom. It comes all the way down. That's easy trade. And that was October 4th, October 5th, and October 6th. That was 3 days in a row. Same exact trade. Same exact setup. And the next one was October 10th. So I must have lost. Obviously I lost October 7th, October 8th, October 9th, because my next win was October 10th. So I took this trade right here. Same exact concept as the other ones. Took to the downside. Same exact setup, just flipped. Came, boom, changed direction, showed area of value right here. Came back down, showed me a green candlestick. I got in right after that green candlestick. Got in right about right here. Waited till we hit the top. Easy trade. No reason why I can't continue to do this. No reason why, anybody can't continue to do this. And keep in mind, even if you lose 1 or 2 days, it's okay if you have a tight stop loss. You're fine. You'll be fine. You see the next one, October 11th on QQQ. Right here, another easy one right here. Stock is in a downtrend, so we're looking for downside. Boom, change direction, came back up, super long wick. Get in right after that. 2-to-1 reward ratio. And you probably asking, like, if you're able to teach, if you're able to know this, how are you not making money? How are you not super profitable in the stock market right now? Keep in mind, I was trading with only $75, and then I made a lot of dumb mistakes on my other 15 trades. Boredom, FOMO, all that type of stuff was messing with me. This next time I hop in the stock market, I think it'll be a lot differently. I think it'll be very different. And hopefully I can start this profitable journey and show y'all. And this strategy I got from Rainer Teo. I think that's how I say his name, Rainer Teo. He made a video of just following the trend and finding an area of value and then trading off that area of value. He said that when he was first getting started, that's what got him profitable. And I'm just following what he said, to be honest. October 12th, QQQ. I did not take this trade. I just put this on here just to show you guys that this type of stuff is happening pretty consistently. So just following the trend right here. Following the trend. Boom, it's showing you that this is an area of value. Go up, come back down. Long wick, long wick. I wouldn't have got in on this candle, but I would have got in this green one right here. Boom. All the way to the top. October 13th. And the reason why I'm making this video is just because I feel like this type of setup, being able to follow the trend and finding an area of value within the trend, it makes perfect sense, especially to beginners, especially to me. I feel like when you lose, you're not going to be, because obviously every trade isn't going to work out. And when you lose, you're not going to be extremely angry because you took the trade for a reason. You see that you're trading within the trend. It came back to an area of value. You saw the long wick, or you saw bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing. You took the trade. You know it's a good trade. Like these type of setups that I'm showing you guys are setups that if they don't work out every now and then, I'm not going to be mad at myself. I'm not going to feel like I'm a bad trader because of it. And I'm going to know that just because it doesn't work Monday, like it's gonna work Tuesday. Like there's no, it's not gonna consistently not work. This trade right here, obvious. So when it's in the middle, when it's like right on the 200 EMA, I could have took, like, you could have took this downside one. Could took this downside to the downside. Could take it to the upside. I took it to the upside, so I got in right. I don't exactly. I'm pretty sure I got in right after this green candlestick. Same thing. It's just a double bottom. Get in right after this green candlestick. Ride it to the top. October 20th. The trend is in the downside. Stock is going to the downside under the 200 EMA. Area of value right here comes back to the area of value. Shows you this long wick. Get in right after it. Straight to the downside. These are all the setups that I've been taking. So every one that I've showed you, I've taken except one. And I think I said it on there. Risk to reward ratio is 2 to 1, 3 to 1. October 24th. October 24th, right here. I already know where it's at. Right here. Right here. Stock is in an uptrend. Come back down to area of value. Here's how you know it's an area of value. Change direction right here. Tried right here. Came back. Long wick right on this line right here. Long wick. I got in right after this candlestick. I got in. Look at the risk to reward ratio. Look at this risk to reward ratio. Gotta show that. It's perfect. It's perfect. 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 3 to 1, depending on when I got in. And we got October 26th. This one right here. Yep. This one right here. We know the stock is in the downtrend. Boom, it comes up clean, hits the area of value, shows me the red candlestick. I get into the trade right after that red candlestick and hold it all the way to the downside. All the way to about here. And I got 2 more left, and I'm going to let y'all go. I just want to show y'all that this is, from what I'm learning, from what I'm seeing, this is something that happens pretty consistently. I don't know if it happens. The only ones I traded was SPY and QQQ, but it's happening pretty consistently. You definitely can make a living off just trading these setups. It comes down, long wick, right at the area of value. Get in, get out either here or wait till it gets all the way to the top. I usually get out a little bit early. And then for my last one, don't exactly know if this is the best one, but this is November 1st on here. November 1st. Boom. Stock is in an uptrend above the 200 EMA, comes down to area value. You see it change direction right here. So the area value is right where this line is at. Comes down. Green candlestick. Get in there. Not really, that's just a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, but it still ended up working out. I don't really think that was my best trade, but I took it and it worked out. And that's it. That's the setup. I think everybody should do this. I think everybody can do this. I genuinely think everybody can do this. Eventually, I'm going to add $500 $500, $200, something like that. And I'll do a review showing this setup again and showing how much I made, how much I lost throughout the week, throughout the month, things like that. But I just want to show y'all what I'm learning. Hopefully you got something out of it. If you got any value at all, like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one.